I've completed rebuilding the electrical components from the winch, the factory winch. This is a cleaned up main relay, and this is a cleaned up control box that goes on top of the winch. And that connector I haven't replaced yet, but perhaps will. It's actually okay, but all of these are new connectors and makes a huge difference. And so basically there's a small connector near the firewall under the battery that provides 12 volts whenever the ignition's connected. That travels through here into the remote control, back out again, and into the main relay to power the whole thing. Now, unless you've plugged in the remote, nothing happens. So there's 12 volts there, but I will now plug this in, and the alarm will sound. I'll explain why. Come on now. Yeah. See? It says over temp, and that has to do with this little puppy right here.